my fiance's birthday is on May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, and I wanted to do like an old-fashioned little kid's birthday party for him. It doesn't make any sense. Hold on, I'll explain. He's turning 30, and he hasn't had like a family party in a while, like old school back in the day when you would have like themed little parties. You would buy your like birthday supplies from Party City and shit, and they would be themed. So that's kind of what I wanted to do this time. He's not expecting it, so we both worked that day, so we don't have off. We kind of celebrated yesterday a little bit. We went to go get some seafood, but I wanted to, on the day of his birthday, have him come after work and then just surprise him really big with a whole bunch of like decorations in the living room right here, and then just give him all his gifts. So all his gifts have officially arrived, so I want to open them on camera, and then I want to show you all the birthday decorations because I went with a different theme than I was originally intending to. So I have a package from Society 6. So my fiance is a big fan of Pokemon, and I kind of wanted to combine that with some household items, so I should have brought some scissors. So I got him this like bath mat with this really cool print. So Society 6 has two different sizes. This is the larger one, and this is my first time seeing it. Ta-da! I think it's really pretty. So it features some water Pokemon, and one of his favorite is Starmie and Staryu. And I think it's a really cool print. Honestly, it's hard to find prints from specific like franchises because you can get hit with copyright like strikes on Society 6 or like websites like that where artists upload their stuff, so they can't tag it as Pokemon. Sometimes it's under a little different thing, so it's hard to look for Pokemon merchandise or like fan art when you can't type in Pokemon on the little search box. It's pretty good quality. I kind of like Society 6 for personalized merchandise because sometimes it's just hard to go to like a real place and find all the Pokemon stuff. So I got him that bath mat, which I think is going to be a nice unexpected gift. And now let's go over all the other stuff that I got as well. So my fiance is a big fan of graphic t-shirts. You could never go wrong with that. He has so many that I've given him, and he has also a bunch that he's gotten from Loot Crate subscription services. So I picked him up 4 different t-shirts from TeePublic, which is generally, again, a place like Society 6 where artists can upload their art and then you buy it. So the first one is a really cute Kirby one. So it's Kirby on like some cake with a candle. I think this is adorable. I picked it in black because I feel like it just goes with everything. And yeah, he's just eating a big, he's just sitting on a big piece of cake. So I thought that was pretty cute. The second one is kind of more my taste, but I know he enjoys this video game as well. But it is a Zelda one. This is from Wind Waker. So it has the lion bow. I forgot his name. I think it's just really beautiful, and it just pops on a black t-shirt. So at TeePublic you could customize what color the shirt is for the most part. And I chose, was this black? This is like a dark navy, but I think it just pops really nicely. It's a beautiful, like, not so in-your-face reference to a beautiful, wonderful, amazing video game. Wind Waker is my favorite Zelda game, so I picked this up as well. Next one is another Pokemon one, and it is like all these water Pokemon just having a freaking blast. Now, he did see this one already, but it was a while ago, and I told him that I had been thinking of getting it for him, but I don't think he automatically assumed that I was gonna get it for him because I would have wanted it to be a surprise. But this is really cute. I think it's adorable. Next one is one that I didn't personally like, but I know he's a big fan of Misty. So this is Misty with like Staryu hunting for some Pokemon, battling some Pokemon, catching some Pokemon. I don't know what she's doing, but either way, I think it's pretty cute, pretty interesting, something different than what he normally has. All right, side note, I'm trying out a new concealer and I'm noticing that it's way too light for my face, so just ignore my under eye area. So far we went through the graphic tees and the bath mat. Next thing is more of a house item, and it's from Amazon. So this is a pet hair remover. So it's basically like a little vacuum, but it's meant solely for the purpose of removing cat hair. Like in the reviews on Amazon, it even said that if you try to remove any other kind of dust, it's not gonna work. But it's more for just like cat hair and all those annoying little like dander stuff that comes out. So my fiance has 3 cats, and they are absolutely amazing. If you watched my Vlogmas videos, then you will have already met them. He has Hazel, Milo, and Henry. So he is always complaining about the cat hair on his bed, particularly. Every other like furniture piece, I don't feel like he minds, but on his bed it's always a big deal. So I figure this might make his life easier on days where he comes home tired. Also, I'm kind of sick, So if I sound a little congested, that's why. I'm sorry. I just realized I forgot to mention that. But yes, I got him this. Hopefully this will make his life a little bit easier. It's not very big. It has a cute little handle. Look at the cat in the back. I think it's cute. My parents are also getting him some gifts, but I don't have those with me. So we're going to move on to unboxing all the actual Party City like merchandise, like birthday decoration type things. So like I said before, we're aiming for like a youthful little kids party, and I know that sounds silly, especially on his 30th birthday, but I think it'll be fun because he doesn't have a lot of family, or a lot of family that he's super close to or spends a significant amount of time with. So we just kind of wanted to evoke that familiar feeling of just being with family, because my parents freaking love him. I think my parents love him more than me because he is definitely sweeter than I am. So I'm gonna open up this package, we're gonna see everything that's in it, and it's gonna be great. All right, taking it all off. Commercials. Oh wait, that was something. Okay, so there's these little like Splatoon tattoos. These are like little party favors. I didn't get many, but this was really cheap, so I picked it up. So yeah, Splatoon is the theme here. Splatoon is one of his favorite games. Oh, so this just came for free. I don't know if I'm gonna use this. It's 5 event tail paper thingies. So yeah, but Splatoon is the theme. I was gonna go with Pokemon, but I felt like that would be too obvious, and I didn't expect them to have Splatoon, and I know he's not gonna expect Splatoon. Ooh, I'm getting tongue-tied. So yes, this is what I ended up picking. So we got some Splatoon napkins, we got some Splatoon plates, we got some Splatoon dessert plates, I think these were called. Let me see, what's the difference? Yeah, these are plates and the others are dessert plates, whatever. And then I think this also came for free because this doesn't really match the theme. Paper lanterns. I picked up the swirl decorations. So these have like Splatoon stuff. It's 12 pieces and they hang from the ceiling. So I'm going to have to do this before I go to his house because I'm sleeping over his house on Saturday and we're coming back here on Sunday. But yeah, these are for the ceiling. I think they're really cute. 12 pieces. Then we have some Splatoon balloons. It's pretty simple ones. The ones that you'd like blow up yourself. We have some Splatoon cups, 8 of them to be exact. And this is one of those like souvenir cups, but I feel like we tend to reuse these a lot and he could just take this home with him. So I think it's cute. I don't know anything about Splatoon, honestly. We have the Splatoon freaking birthday candle, so that's great. I didn't want a candle that says 30 because I don't think he wants an emphasis on the fact that he's turning 30. So yeah. Then we have the decorations for the table. So this has like a centerpiece and like smaller centerpieces. We have a pretty big table, so I think I'll find some good use out of it. Oh, there you go. There you see. So there's a big one and then there's like a bunch of smaller ones, and I think some like Splatoon little confetti things. So I think that's pretty cute, right? I don't know. Next thing we have is the tablecloth. This is a paper tablecloth. Features Splatoon, people, figures. I like the sound effects in this video games. I will admit that it's pretty cool. Alright, so this one is one that I don't know how is going to work out. So this is a scene setter. So it's like a background prop with like photo props. So you like stand on the background and you hold the props, which I thought was going to be cute. But we don't really have any walls. I'm about to show you. We don't have any like blank walls for me to hang this. It's 6 feet tall. So I don't know, for indoor use only. So you have all the little props. So you have all the little props and stuff. Choose your space, any indoor wall will do. Apply your wall decoration. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm filming this on Friday. Tomorrow, probably, once the table is cleared of all those Easter decorations, we'll be able to like really decorate, or I'll be decorating, and then we'll see kind of what we do with that photo prop, and then we'll surprise them. So yay! So it's a few hours later. We are in the car. We're gonna go to Target to get a birthday card, an anniversary card, and maybe 1 or 2 gift bags, if not gift wrap. I do have gift wrap already, but I kind of wanted it to be birthday centric. But maybe I should just use the wrap that I have at home to just save money, save paper. I'm not sure. We'll see what Target has. I have to go now because I'm not gonna get a chance to do it, because tomorrow I'm headed to his house after his work day, and then the following day on his birthday we both work, and then we'll be heading straight to my house. So it's not gonna be any time for me to do it without him noticing it. So yes, that is the mission of the night. Alright, so I'm back. The concealer still looks crazy under my eyes. I'm never gonna wear that one again. But we've got a couple of things. So the first thing I picked up is so random. It's not what I came for. That's what happens when you go to Target. I'm sure we can all relate to the struggles. I got my dog some dental sticks. And then I also got him a Bark Box toy. I love that Target sells Bark toys. Bark. So this is the Under the Seams Hammering Hank the Shark. So it is great for squeaker seekers. It's a pull-through rope, so it has squeakers here on both eyes and then in the body itself of the little hammer shark. So this is going to be great. My dog is losing his eyesight, so we're trying to keep him stimulated as much as possible because all he does now is fucking sleep. So we got that. And then I got my fiance a birthday card. It says here, of all the things that happened on this day, you're the best. And then on the inside it says happy birthday. I think this is really sweet. Like, it's very simple in terms of like aesthetics, but I think the meaning is there. Like, you know, May 5th, the most important thing that's happened on this day is my fiance's birth. I don't know. And then the anniversary card I got, I thought was pretty cute. It says, thanks for taking me out of the swimming pool. Life is so much better with you by my side. Happy anniversary. And it has plenty of space for me to write because I tend to write a lot in my cards. So we have the gifts, we have the cards, we are all set. Actually, my fiance's anniversary gift isn't gonna get here, like, well, it's gonna get here on time, but it's the same print as that. So it's a phone case for his iPhone 8 Plus. And it is in that pattern. Along with the cards, I also got 2 gift bags. So this one says happy birthday. I was gonna go with like a Marvel or comic book thing, but then I thought it was too much. I think this one's nice and elegant and he could take it with him because I'm gonna put 2 of these shirts that I showed you earlier in the bag. I'm gonna take this with me to his house and I'm gonna surprise him like, oh, happy birthday, blah, 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 blah. And then, I'm going to take this with me. I'm going to open it, give him some presents at midnight, probably 2 of the shirts, pack it in here, and I think it'll be great. Just got to remove the price on all these things. But yeah, that's basically what we got during our Target run. We spent more time there than I thought, and I spent more money than I anticipated. But that's kind of generally what happens. Oh, actually, I forgot to show you one last thing. Don't laugh, guys. It's pretty silly, but I really love it. It's a flamingo cup. I got it for myself. It's really cute. It was only $4. And I think it'll be cool to like sip on this while I'm filming videos or like editing videos. I don't know. I thought it was adorable. And I love flamingos. Fun fact. So I finished it up. This is his card. I'm watching some Smoky Glow because I freaking love her channel. And I'm going to put this in the bag so that I can take it and hide it somehow for Sunday morning. Whatever. You'll see what I mean. So I hung up the backdrop, photo drop thing. I know it's very cheesy. My family kind of like laughed at me after looking at the decorations, but here it is. So this will be the backdrop for like the little photos, and then these are the props, like various different Splatoon related stuff that I'm not familiar with. So we still have to clean like all the surrounding stuff, but those are the little centerpieces, and then it comes with little confetti. I showed this to you earlier, but I'm showing it to you again. The only thing we have to hang up now is the little spirally thingy. I'm losing my voice. Anyway, I'm getting ready to go to his house. I put the gift bag and the card in here so that he won't notice it, and I'll tuck it into the closet. And I'll just be like, oh, it's just my stuff, like more clothes, because I'm always bringing clothes or something over there. I'm always bringing clothes and stuff. Oh, that's my mom. Finally.
Happy birthday.
Leo.